धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आन शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामभित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। असतो मा सत्कमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया।
Om Shri Sai Ram. My most humble and loving pranams at the divine lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. We, the Bal Vikas alumni of Bangalore South District, are pleased to offer our cultural presentation, Eternal Stars in the Spiritual Sky.
यथा यथा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युदानाम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
It is an assurance given by Lord Krishna as an answer to the heartfelt and sincere prayers of the noble and the saintly souls. The Lord has said, whenever there is rise of adharma and decline of dharma, I will manifest myself for the protection of good, destruction of evil, and the establishment of righteousness. I am born in every age.
True to this assurance, the Lord has incarnated on this earth from age to age as Lord Sri Rama, Sri Krishna, Bhagavan Buddha, and in this Kali Yuga as Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. The main purpose of all this incarnation is to put the erring mankind on correct path and by making them realize their real identity.
तनक जनो दत्तता तद्दी तनक जनो दद्दी तनक जनो दद्दी तनक जनो दत्तता तद्दी तनक जनो दत्तता तद्दी तनक जनो दत्तता तद्दी तनक जनो दद्दी तनक जनो दद्दी तत्लुम तद्दी तत्लुम तद्दी तत्लुम
సత్య ధర్మములు ఇలపై నిలుపగ కంకణబద్ధుడవైనావు సత్య సాయిష నిన్ను కొలువగా పద పంకజములను సజావు వరములను సగే సత్పురుష వరములను సగే సత్పురుష భువి సత్యమే నీ స్వరూపమయా కరములు మోచి స్థిర చిత్తముతో దాసులుగా సేవించి ధరించి సకల జనులను సాదరముగా ప్రేమించే సాయి బాబా
In every age, both the good and the wicked existed in Satyuga. The saint and the Rakshasas lived in different lokas in Treta Yuga on the same planet of Earth. And in the Dwapar Yuga, they were born in the same families as Kauravas and Pandavas. As Bhagwan Baba says, in this Kali Yuga, both the good and the demonic qualities have found birth together in human heart. Man has forgotten his own identity, that he is Divyatma Swarupa, and running behind the pleasure that gave temporary satisfaction. He is to be reminded that taking human life is very auspicious and it is only in human birth he can rise to higher level and realize his innate divinity and become one with God.
नमकमीयरा स्वामी निर्भयमीयरा स्वामी सन्मार्ग में दो पुरा स्वामी सुज्ञान सूर्युनि मालो వెలిగించరా చేదుకు ఎదురు పోరాడే మంచినెప్పుడో కాపాడే పిడుగు దేహమీయరా ప్రభు ప్రేమతో పాటు పౌరుషం పంతం తేజం రాజగుణం స్వామి వినయం విలువలనీయరా నమ్మకమీయరా స్వామి నిర్భయమీయరా స్వామి లోన నిజము గుర్తించే పైన భ్రమను గమనించే సూక్ష్మ నేత్రమీయరా స్వామి
The message and purpose of all the avatars was to make the man a true human being by pulling him up from his demonic and animal qualities, then to guide him towards the innate divinity, then to make God out of man and lead him from Manava to Madhava. The message of all the avatars are eternal truths that are applicable to all at all the times.
Many saints and sages who followed the divine path of guidance and became the realized souls wanted even the common people to get benefited by taking the message to them. They spread the divine message of pathway to liberation in the regional languages through devotional songs, bhajans, devarnamas, vachanas and poems that could be easily understood by them. It was an answer to the yearning of many. How to become one with God? How to realize the divinity within? What is the pathway?
ಕರುಣಾಳು ಬಾಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿದಿ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸನ್ನನು ಕರುಣಾಳು ಬಾಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿದಿ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸನ್ನನು ഇരുളു കത്തലിയാകവി മനെദൂര കനികരിಸಿ ഇരുളു ಕತ್ತಲಿಯಾಗವಿ ಮನೆದೂರ ಕನಿಕರಿಸಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸನ್ನನು ಕರುಣಾಳು ಬಾಬೆಳಕೆ ಮುಸುಕಿದಿ ಮಬ್ಬಿನಲಿ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಸನ್ನನು.
Such great souls appeared from time to time in all the regions of Bharat. They were sent as the guiding lamps to the heartfelt prayers of the spiritual seekers.
ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯವ ಮಾಡುವರು, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ. ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ಕಂಬ, ದೇಹವೇ ದೇಗುಲ, ಶಿರವೇ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಳಶವಯ್ಯ. ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಕೇಳಯ್ಯ, ಸ್ಥಾವರ ಕಳಿವುಂಟು ಜಂಗಮ ಕಳಿವಿಲ್ಲ.
ಶಿವಾಲಯವ ಮಾಡುವರು, ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯವ ಮಾಡುವರು. ನಾನೇನ ಮಾಡುವೆ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ, ನಾನೇನ ಮಾಡುವೆ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ. ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯವ ಮಾಡುವರು.
a simple manner to be understood by all. Now, what is the next step to proceed? Bhagavan Baba says that a true sadhaka should first become a human being in real sense. How? By rooting up all the animal and evil qualities within oneself. He should rise from Danavata to Manavata. He has shown us the way for this too. It is through inculcating the 5 human values of Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema and Ahimsa, which are to be lived. Lord Basavanna speaks about this too and how we can do that. Come, let us all listen to a beautiful vachana of his on this topic.
ಕಳಬೇಡ ಕೊಲಬೇಡ ಹುಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲೂ ಬೇಡ ಮುನಿಯಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಪಡಬೇಡ ತನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಬೇಡ ಇದಿರ ಹಳಿಯಲೂ ಬೇಡ ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವನೊಲಿಸುವ ಪರಿ.
Bhagwan Baba guides and leads us further. He says, EHV, education in human values should lead to 3HV, the values of head, heart and hands. That is, the unison of thought, word and deed. It makes one a saintly person. Head is where discrimination resides. Man should discriminate between right and wrong. Good thoughts lead to unity, but bad thoughts lead to enmity. From ages, we see how people are divided in the name of caste, creed, culture, religion, language and other differences. That is why Swami always guided us.
There is only one religion, the religion of love. There is only one language, the language of the heart. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one God, He is omnipresent.
Even the Saint Kanakadasa also tried to make people realize this. Here is coming, singing his message.
Jai Hare Krishna, Jai Hare Krishna, Govardhana Giridhara. Jai Hare Krishna, Jai Hare.
ಬರಬೇಡ
ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಬಾರದು?
ನಿಧೀನ ಕುಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕುಲ ಕುಲ ಕುಲವೆಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡದಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಲದ ನೆಲೆಯವನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಬಲ್ಲಿರ. ಕುಲ ಕುಲ ಕುಲವೆಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡದಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಲದ ನೆಲೆಯನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಬಲ್ಲಿರ.
What a great message! As Bhagwan Baba has taught us, when mankind realizes that the whole creation is a reflection of divinity and that He resides in all animate and inanimate objects, there comes unity, the fatherhood of God and brotherhood of man. Where there is unity, there is always divinity. Our thoughts are purified by sadhana. Even Saint Sarvajna speaks about this. ನಡೆಯುವುದೊಂದೇ ಭೂಮಿ, ಕುಡಿಯುವುದೊಂದೇ ನೀರು, ಸುಡುವಗ್ನಿಯೊಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತಿರೆ, ಕುಲಗೋತ್ರ ನಡುವೆ ಎತ್ತಣದು ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ.
How should we speak? How should our words be? In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has taught us about Vachaka Tapas, how one should speak. Our Bhagwan teaches us.
Speak softly and sweetly. Speak only when it is necessary. You may not always oblige, but always speak obligingly.
He has warned us that God has blessed man with the greatest gift of speech. The wound caused by harsh and bitter words can never be forgotten. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat, apriyam satyam na bruyat. Bhagwan says,
Speak no evil, speak what is good. Sanctify the tongue by singing and speaking about the glory of God. Help ever, hurt never.
our soothing words can be a source of great motivation. Here, Saint Purandaradasa is coming to convey the importance of controlling our words which give expression to our thoughts.
ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ.
ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ವಿಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪರರ ದೂಷಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ವಿಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪರರ ದೂಷಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಲು ಬೇಡ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಬೆನು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆ, 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 ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಲು ಬೇಡ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇಡಿಕೊಂಬೆನು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ರೂಢಿಗೊಡೆಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ ನಾಮವ ಪಾಡುತ್ತಲಿರು ಕಂದ್ಯ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಹರಿಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನರ ಹರಿಯ ಭಜಿಸು ಕಂದ್ಯ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆ, 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 ಹರಿಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನರ ಹರಿಯ ಭಜಿಸು ಕಂದ್ಯ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ವರದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ ವರದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲರಾಯನ ಚರಣ ಕಮಲನೆನೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ವಿಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಪರರ ದೂಷಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಆಚಾರವಿಲ್ಲದ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೀಚ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಿಡು ನಾಲಿಗೆ.
Such great truths are expressed in such simple ways. The next step, as Swami suggests, is to pass our thoughts through the heart, which should be the seat of love, and then put into practice by the hands. Love all, serve all should be the motto, as selfless service to mankind is service to God Himself.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, ఈ విద్యార్థులు యువకులు విలేజ్ సేవలకై పోతున్నారు. గ్రామ సేవయన్నా రామసేవయ సుమా. పల్లె పల్లెను పోండి, బీద బీద వాళ్ళని కూడా సాధించండి. ఆకలితో బాధపడేటువంటి వారికి ఇంత పట్టడి అన్నం పెట్టండి. ఈనాడు లోకం లోపల కష్టాలు నష్టాలు దుఃఖాలు పడేటువంటి వారి బాధలంతా నివారణ గావించి ఆ సేవ యొక్క అనుగ్రహాన్ని వారు అందిస్తారని నేను ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ది బెస్ట్ వే టు లవ్ గాడ్ ఈజ్ టు లవ్ ఆల్, సర్వ్ ఆల్.
हर प्राणी में साई प्राणी में बाबा सब प्रेम करो, सब प्रेम करो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा।
Swami says,
See no evil, hear no evil, and do no evil. This is the way to God.
The journey towards innate divinity starts with the purification of and unison of thought, word and deed. Unity is divinity, purity is enlightenment. As Swami has said, ornaments are many, but the gold is one. Saints are many, but the messages conveyed by them are the same eternal truth. Let us all remember their messages and start practicing them. It is the homage we pay to the great souls. Speaking about unity of religions, Bhagavan Baba says, let the glory to the God be sung in different tunes in different languages. The saints were blessed to do that. These saints are the eternal stars illumining our way to reach the God who is within us.
Swami, you have always extolled that our life should be your message. On this holy occasion of your birthday, we promise you that we will do our best to make you feel proud. Swami, please hold our hands and guide us in every moment of our lives. We love you, Swami.
Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba.
In every moment of my life, please be with me. In every single act of mine, be thou my guide. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba.
When I slip, when I fall, lend me your hand. When I stray far away, bring me back again. When I slip, when I fall, lend me your hand. When I stray far away, bring me back again. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba. From the darkness into light, lead me, Father. From the darkness into light, lead me, Father. From a real to the real, from a real to the real. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba. In every moment of my life, please be with me. In every single act of mine, be thou my guide. Baba, Sai Baba, Baba, Sai Baba.
When I slip, when I fall, lend me your hand. When I stray far away, bring me back again. When I slip, when I fall, lend me your hand. When I stray far away, bring me back again. Baba, Sai Baba.
my life, please be with me. In every moment of my life, please be with me.